Okay, everybody, we got the first lift. It's hanging off the boom right here outside the pilot house. Yay for us. See, look, it's just hanging there. Look at that. Just bounces all around. It's just hanging there. Dodgy, dodgy. So now I got to walk it through the pilot house. Oh, first I got to turn it around. Maybe we can turn it around. Well, we're gonna turn it around and open the door. Who knows? Okay. See, well, you know what I'd intended to do was kind of have a mechanic party and get a crate of beer maybe, and get some mechanic friends over to help me. But I had to wait until 2 days before the world's biggest storm, and so all my mechanic friends are busy sorting out their own boats and their own houses and their own everything that's going to try and go away in the world's biggest storm. And so, well, it's me and Cassie. But that's okay. We're going to manage. I'm going to keep going. I'll check back in. Bye.